Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to lock your files on your Google Drive. In this video I'm going to show you. So for this guys, you need to log in your Google account, Gmail account on any desktop web browser like this, and then you need to open your Google Drive from here. Okay. And here guys, you can get your all files on your Google Drive. Just if you want to lock any file, you need to click on here three dots option like this on your file, and here go to file information, and here you can get the option to lock. As you can see guys, if you want to lock this file, just click on lock. That's it. Now this file will not editable. As you can see guys, this will prevent anyone from editing or commenting. Editor can unlock the file. Just click on lock option once again. Now your file was successfully locked. In case if you want to unlock this file, same thing, click on three dots option once again, go to file information, and here you can get the option unlock. That's it. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.